This time I went for a regular trimmer from Bombay Shaving Company. Let's dive in and check it out. The packaging is quite modern, sleek design, eye-catching branding and clear labels. Let's take a closer look. It's called the Power Styler and one of its biggest highlights is flash charging, just 1.5 hours to fully charge. It offers 38 length settings, which means a lot of styling flexibility. And it uses a Type-C charging port, super convenient and essential these days. Flipping the box, we see some impressive numbers. 120 minutes of runtime, that's 2 hours. An LED indicator that tells you when to charge. And 2 adjustable combs included for precision styling. I also like the 3D design of the trimmer itself. It has a sleek premium look here. The black dials adjust the length settings and the overall build feels very thought out. They also showcase additional accessories like beard shaping tool, post-shave balm, beard oil. Nice marketing move. The box price is 1199, but I managed to grab it on Amazon for around 800 rupees. Not bad at all. Now let's get to the fun part, unboxing. First up, the trimmer body. Let's keep that aside for a second. Then we have a rectangular box inside. That's it, just 2 main components in the packaging, neat and minimal. Inside the small box, we get a Type-C charging cable, a cleaning brush, always handy, some documentation manuals, and one beard comb. I think the other one is already attached to the trimmer. Let's take a closer look at the trimmer unit itself. First impression, super lightweight, no heft at all, making it easy to handle. The body has a nice perforated design. The LED indicator is right here. The power switch is simple and easy to use. And here's the length adjustment dial. As I rotate it, you can see the beard comb extending out for longer lengths and going back in for a closer trim. Now onto the blades. They are made from high quality stainless steel, so no rusting or corrosion issues. That means long lasting sharpness, which is great for regular use. One thing I didn't love, the beard combs feel a bit flimsy. They don't have much strength, so that could have been improved. Let's turn it on. Yep, it works. The blades are in action and the motor sounds pretty decent. Here's a quick size comparison with my Philips OneBlade. The OneBlade is noticeably smaller. Time to test the charging. Plugging in my Type-C cable, the LED indicator lights up to show it's charging. And after 1.5 hours, the light turns green, fully charged. That's a way better than waiting 8 hours for the OneBlade. I'm going for a zero trim. Let's see how it performs. Maneuverability, excellent. The lightweight design makes it easy to reach every corner of my face. Trimming performance, it does a good job, but not as close as the OneBlade. You can see that some stubble remains, whereas the OneBlade gets a much closer shave. That's where the trade-off happens. The OneBlade is amazing for a super close shave, but has a ridiculous charging time, 8 hours, and a short 25 to 30 minute runtime. The Bombay Shaving Company trimmer is a solid traditional trimmer, great for everyday grooming, quick to charge and lasts 2 hours, but doesn't give that ultra close shave. So what's the verdict? Now, if you want a reliable, quick charging trimmer for regular use, this is a great choice. But if you need an extremely close shave, the Philips OneBlade is still the king. Final recommendation, for regular trimming, Bombay Shaving Company trimmer is a solid buy. For ultra close shaving, stick to OneBlade. That is, if you can tolerate the charging time. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Happy trimming!